Navigating through hell and high water, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English idiom, come hell or high water. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also give you insight into cultural expressions. Let's get started. Come hell or high water is an idiom that means to do whatever is necessary to overcome difficulties or obstacles, no matter how challenging they are. The phrase uses the imagery of two extreme situations: hell, representing a fiery and unbearable condition, and high water, referring to floods or overwhelming situations, to convey determination and resilience. Essentially, it's about persisting and not giving up, regardless of the hardships faced. The origins of come hell or high water are somewhat murky, but it is believed to have emerged in the 19th century in the United States. The phrase likely draws on the literal challenges of navigating through difficult terrains, be it through the dangerous conditions of hell or crossing swollen rivers that were common obstacles for early settlers and travelers. It embodies the spirit of perseverance and toughness in the face of adversity. Understanding how to use come hell or high water in a sentence can help you convey determination effectively. Here are a few examples. I will finish this marathon, come hell or high water. She promised to support her friend, come hell or high water. We will complete this project on time, come hell or high water. Notice how the phrase is often used to express a strong commitment or a vow to achieve something despite potential difficulties. While come hell or high water is primarily used in English-speaking countries, its sentiment of unwavering determination is universally understood. The idiom is popular in both formal and informal settings, though it's more commonly heard in speech than in formal writing. It reflects a deep-seated cultural appreciation for resilience and the ability to face challenges head-on. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning, origins, and use of the idiom, come hell or high water. English is full of such vivid expressions that add color and depth to our conversations. Remember, learning these idioms is not just about expanding your vocabulary, it's also about connecting more deeply with English-speaking cultures. Thanks for watching, and keep pushing through your language learning journey. Come hell or high water.